Imagine living in a building that is not only beautiful, but also sustainable, healthy, and productive. A building that is covered with greenery, that provides you with fresh air, natural cooling, and even food. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, this dream is becoming a reality, thanks to the innovative concept of integrating vegetation into the facades and roofs of buildings. This is not just a cosmetic feature, but a strategic way of enhancing the performance and quality of the built environment. In this video, we will explore the benefits and challenges of integrating vegetation into buildings and how to achieve a balance between them. Integrating vegetation into buildings can have many advantages, such as reducing energy usage by providing thermal insulation and solar protection. Plants can reduce the heat gain and loss through the building envelope and lower the demand for heating and cooling systems. Extending roof lives by protecting them from weathering and UV radiation. Plants can shield the roof membrane from the damaging effects of sun exposure, temperature fluctuations, and precipitation, and extend its lifespan by up to 60%. Moderating temperatures by evapotranspiration and shading. Plants can cool the air and the surface by releasing water vapor and creating shade, and reduce the urban heat island effect, which is the phenomenon of higher temperatures in urban areas compared to rural areas. Filtering pollutants by capturing dust, absorbing gases, and degrading organic compounds. Plants can improve the air quality and reduce the greenhouse gas emissions by filtering the particulate matter, carbon dioxide, and volatile organic compounds from the atmosphere. Increasing biodiversity by creating habitats for various species of plants and animals. Plants can enhance the ecological diversity and resilience of the urban environment by providing food, shelter, and corridors for wildlife, such as birds, insects, and small mammals. Improving social and psychological well-being by enhancing the aesthetic and biophilic quality of the built environment. Plants can increase the attractiveness and livability of the urban space by adding color, texture, and movement, and stimulate the human-nature connection, which can boost the mood, productivity, and health of the occupants and the public. Supporting food security by growing edible plants and herbs. Plants can provide a source of fresh and organic food for the occupants and the community, and reduce the transportation and packaging costs and emissions associated with conventional agriculture. Reducing stormwater runoff by retaining and delaying rainwater. Plants can mitigate the flooding and erosion problems caused by the impervious surfaces in urban areas by absorbing and storing rainwater and releasing it slowly into the drainage system or the atmosphere. These are some of the benefits of integrating vegetation into buildings, but there are also some challenges that need to be addressed. I have a small favor to ask you. If you enjoy this video and want to see more content like this, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Integrating vegetation into buildings also poses some challenges, such as requiring careful planning, design, installation, and maintenance, taking into account factors such as plant characteristics, environmental conditions, structural requirements, irrigation systems, and fire safety. Plants need to be selected and arranged according to their suitability for the climate, the orientation, the wind exposure, and the aesthetics of the building, and they need to be supported by adequate structures, water sources, and fire prevention measures. Increasing the weight and complexity of the building envelope, which may affect the structural stability and performance. Plants add extra load and stress to the building structure, and they may interfere with the thermal and moisture behavior of the building envelope, causing condensation, corrosion, or cracking. And don't forget to check out our next video, where we will show you how to design integrated vegetation for the facades and roofs of your own buildings. You don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time on ArchiProjects.